walked right in, and till this day I look up to him. He showed me gasoline and fire's running through my veins. See, I turned riches and I turned strings. I did the things that meant the most to me. That's why I stand up tall, cause I'm still here.
Next up on the test drive list, the 1982 Chevy Corvette. Crossfire 350 under the hood. Power steer, power brakes, AC compressors there, not hooked up. I consider this like a goldish paint. Matching interior. T-tops. Automatic. But it's not perfect, and I'm here to find all the imperfections. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. By the end of this one, you'll know everything about this car that I know. If you got any other questions, give me a call, 615-822-4444. I'll be happy to send you more videos and information. But the time, let's go for a ride. All right, before we take off, I'm gonna check out the interior. It looks pretty good in here. Aftermarket gauges, let's start her up. Got to give her some gas. Tach's working though. Show you the mileage. It's all right. Coming across the dash. Temp's coming up. Oil pressure's good. Well, battery gauge is broke. Gas, yes. Engine temperature, yes. Radio. Sounds like it's working. Blower motor. Yes. Windows fly up and down on this one. And of course the seats look pretty good, along with the back here, and a bag full of goodies. You want to see what I use? Look below in the description. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Telescoping. I kind of like how it's all painted to match there. Turn signals. Blinking in the middle. Right side's not doing anything. I hear it. Tilt column. Wipers. Does look like they're working pretty good. Horn. Place your bets. Works great. All right, let's hit the road, see how it runs and drives. Somebody redid this steering wheel. It's super nice. I do like that. Let's hit the road. We got Cameron in here as the cameraman. Cameron, the cameraman. He comes up every so often and hitches a ride. All right. We don't have to stop and get gas or nothing. But if you stick around to the very end, I'll be doing a segment called Picking Out the Flaws, looking over the body, and checking out the interior some more in detail. Here we go. This thing peppy. That's the first thing I've noticed. Just barely getting into the gas, and we're cruising. Left pull there, look at that. If I let go of the steering wheel, it started to graze into the left. My personal ride just started doing that the other day. I don't know why, but I'll have it checked out. Now this one, speedo's working, tach's working, passing gear's hooked up, pulling good, hitting the brakes. Brakes are smooth. Still kind of turning to the right a little bit to keep it from going to the left, as you can see. Good pep. Great oil pressure. Engine temperature staying where it needs to. Car's running like it's supposed to. Now what I'm thinking on this one, other than that left pull, is it's going to be little cracks in your stripes on your paint. This is an older paint job. Heard a little squeak, but I think it's the guys up there. And our mirror control works perfect. Passenger side works as well. Good deal. Well guys, up next what I'm going to do is get some undercarriage shots. We're going to take some pictures on the outside, get some motion, and of course I'll be right back. time to roll. Great engine temperature, looks like 190. Full pressure is almost to 40, 35-ish at idle. I don't know if we can go this way because there was a wreck, but we're gonna try and we'll go as far as we can. Otherwise, we'll turn around and come back this way. This car is very smooth going down the road, especially these old Vettes don't have the greatest suspension. Guys, don't forget when we get back to the lot, picking out the flaws is gonna happen. I'm gonna look at the paint on this car all the way around, check out the interior. Oh look, we get to turn around. Somebody did boo-boo on the bridge. Oh, wow. The van spun around and hit the railing. Pit maneuver up there. Here we go. We're getting a lot of these Vettes here lately, too, which is great because they sell good. Good deal. Well, we're coming up to the red light here. We got traffic lined all the way out to the road because of that wreck. So I'm going to skip over to picking out the flaws. Y'all stick around for that. Check out maplemotors.com. We do have financing and shipping available, and we update on Mondays with new inventory. Hey, let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Around the front end here. Definitely faded, not shiny. Got some marks, cracks. But around the front here, crack there in the paint. Little wrinkle up and over. Spot here. Got some chips in the back. Faded on the back end too, not shiny. As you can tell. Down this lower portion, little cracks in the paint. Old paint here in the back. Look at all the cracks, scratches. Got it all over this back fender along with this being flat again. Yeah, a weak paint job on this one because it's older. Same thing, little scratch marks, cracks in the paint, hazy faded, whatever you want to call it. The seal back here is dried up too. Up over the cell panel, it's pretty good. Back window clean, T-tops are in great shape really. A little faded on some of the trim. Front window, decent shape, chips. Yep, they're there. Over the top of this fender. Chips on the headlights. over here as well. Midsection on this side. We've been down the lower portion. Cracks around your lock. Scratch here by the handle. Same thing, seals dry all the way around that back window. More chips in the windshield. One in the middle too. It's right there. Top of that fender, you got some scratches. A little bit shinier. Interior wise, carpet's nice. Seats got some dry cracks in them. Door panel on this side's in decent shape, but you still got little signs of wear. Same with your weather stripping. Seals up top are good. They've been replaced. Seat on this side, you see some spots, a few cracks. Bit of an idle surge here. Engine temperature's good, oil pressure's good, just a little bit of an idle surge there. It hasn't cut off or given me any issues. Go ahead and shut the hood down. All kinds of cracks in your stripe on the hood, on the graphics there. Hood itself, the paint looks decent. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. I go over these cars just as I would if I was buying it myself. With that being said, if you have questions, you need more information, that's what I'm here for. I'll make more videos. I'll send them directly to your phone. Now I need you to call me, 615-822-4444. That's the best way to get in contact, not through email, not through social media networks. I know you like to leave me messages on there, but if you think about it, I don't know how many hundreds of messages I get every single day. I can't keep up with all of them. I will try to respond on most things, but if you want to buy a car from me, give me a call. Guys, check us out, maplemotors.com. Look at all our new inventory. You can also get descriptions on there. It'll answer most of your questions, along with hundreds of pictures of each car, along with this video. Sometimes you don't even need to call, but sometimes you do. I appreciate you watching. Hit subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video.